This is 100% chicken and 100% Heroine. First, we're going to be making the rocks. This is commonly confused with the roux. A roux is short for the two-legged animal in Antarctica that can jump really high. Right now, we're mixing some chicken sweat with the roux to make diarrhea, some garlic powder, some pepper, some chicken bouillon, mix-a-lardo. When I was in the league, this was my favorite recipe, but after I tested positive, I couldn't play anymore. I was still able to get this cool medal and a bag of chips. I like chips. Mix-a-lardo your white beef. Evenly distribute some Heroine sprinkles, reinforcements. I missed a spot. Perfect. Some entertainment crackers. I'm not sure which one's more entertaining. We'll take this one. Pour a lard. No way. I got one. The best crackers money could buy at the dollar store. Crush a lardo. Spread a lardo. Butterfly. Get it, Karen. Perfect. Grab some cup ice. Taste test. Yum. White beef.